Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to add text to iMovie on iPhone. First of all, open your iMovie and open your project. Tap on the timeline, tap on this text icon, and now select any text format from this list. As you can see, the text has been added, and to edit the text, tap on the text, tap on edit, and now you can edit your text from here. To change your font color, tap on this color icon here, and you can select any text color from this list. And to change your text font, tap on this A icon. From this list you can select any font. Just tap on the font which you want to use. Tap on this three dot, tap on style to change your text style. You can make your text uppercase and lowercase from here. You can enable text shadow from here. And to change your text position, simply tap on the text and you can drag to change the position of the text. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.